Hey, what's up guys, your girl Damo. I'm back to bring you guys another video, and before we jump into this video, just make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's just that easy. But let's go. So this is a pair of Vans, as you guys already know, being that you clicked this video. So let's get into it. This is the pair of Vans Old Schools that I got from Footlocker. So these are from the Plaids Not Dead collection. I'm not sure if it was a Footlocker only exclusive because I haven't seen them on any other websites, just Footlocker. If I'm able to find this pair, I'll link them down below, but as I said before, when I was ordering this pair, it looked like it was selling out very quickly. So if they actually do restock it, I'll link them down below for you guys to purchase. And I believe I paid $65, maybe $60 for these regular Vans prices. So let's get into the sneaker. I'm trying to pull the laces out. So these come with the white laces. I'm not sure, but I'm feeling like I don't really want the white laces in these. I'm going to try to find some black laces. I feel like that would look a little bit better with these, but that's just my opinion. But I might leave these, but I might not. I don't know. But they do come with white. I love this shoe because it has the different textures. If you know me, if you've been watching my videos, then you already know that I am a lover of different patterns. I love different textures. I love different stuff on one sneaker. So this has the leopard print on the toe box. Then we got the buffalo plaid uppers. Then you have the little suede around where the laces go. It's kind of like a suede material. Then of course you have the rubber bottoms as always. Then you have the little bit of leather or pleather. I'm not sure if this is real leather or not. But then you have the little leather lining right here. And I think I forgot to mention, but the buffalo plaid is actually canvas. So it's about 4 different, textures, different materials on this sneaker, and I absolutely love them. I have a pair of Vans slip-ons that are actually all cheetah print. Like, I love cheetah. Cheetah's me. Like, cheetah's life. Cheetah's everything. Cheetah goes with everything. So what is there not to like about cheetah? Yeah, so I think these are super dope. Like, I just love how they have the like Christmassy feel, but they also have the more, feminine dress up, more spicy appeal with the cheetah print. But I think these are a winner. They're a winner. My only gripe is these white laces, but once I get these white laces out, pop in some black ones, I might even try to go red. I'm not sure yet. It all depends. I'm gonna try it out, see what I like, then it is what it is. If I could find these, I'll definitely link these down below for you guys to pick them up. So this is from the Footlocker Plaid Is Not Dead Vans collection. They came out with a whole bunch of different Vans. There was Vans from children's all the way up to men's. They had some highs, they had slip-ons, they had a lot of old schools. They had some, I believe I saw some error Vans if I'm not mistaken, but it's something for everybody in this pack. So if you're a fan of Vans, be sure to hit up Footlocker and try to get your hands on something from this collection. As always, thank you guys for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate every one of you that click on my video, who have subscribed, who leave comments. I really appreciate you guys to the fullest. So you already know, until next time.